In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these jamming economics problems under money. So we're going to look at the subtopics supply of money. I have 9 repeated questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the best way to reduce the supply of money in the economy is to decrease treasury bills, increase the liquidity ratio, liberalize access to credit, increase the number of bank notes and check produced. So the right answer is option B, which is to increase the liquidity ratio. Alright, so when we talk about liquidity in economies, it's all about having money or cash as an asset. Alright, so the right answer here is option B. Next question in this one, it says the velocity of money is the money supply divided by the price level, the ratio of real GDP to the real money supply. The real money supply divided by the real GDP, the money supply multiplied by the price level. The right answer is option B, the ratio of real GDP to the real money supply. Okay, very important. The next question in this one, it says the theoretical relationship between money supply and prices is weakened by changes in the interest rate, general price level, velocity of money supply. So guys, the right answer is option C, which is velocity of money. Okay, next question in this one, it says the velocity of money is represented as we have real GDP over nominal GDP, money supply by real GDP over money supply, nominal GDP over money supply. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is nominal GDP over money supply. Okay, so that is the correct answer here. Next question is this one, it says an increase in money supply, other things being equal, will have lower interest rate, increase money demand, reduce income, ensure trade balance. The right answer is option A, is that it will lower interest rates. Next question in this one, it says the relationship between supply of money and velocity of money is inverse. Option D. Okay, next question in this one, it says the money market equilibrium is defined as when the demand and supply of money are equal, when demand is less than supply of money, when demand is greater than supply of money, when supply is greater than demand for money. So the right answer is option B, the money market equilibrium is defined as when the demand and supply of money are equal. Okay, next question, this one, it says monetization refers to the ratio of total transactions to monetary transactions, money in circulation to total income, monetary transactions to total transactions, monetary assets to total assets. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is money in circulation to total money. The last question for end this video is this one, it says the total amount of money in circulation includes cash and current account balances owned by banks and non-bank public. We have owned by banks and non-bank public, our current account owned by banks, the government, and the non-bank public. The right answer is that the total amount of money in circulation includes cash and current account balances owned by banks and non-bank public. Okay, option A. So this basically can do in problems involving supply of money. We are jamming economy to practice with 8 to 9 repeated questions for this subtopic in money. Hope let's on the trend of the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to be a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the membership by clicking the JAMB button and get premium information that help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.